Students, good morning. Welcome to today's session. From the past 2 days, because of some technical issues and some power issues, we are unable to send the videos in a proper time. But now the issue is solved, and from today onwards, we are going to have a regular sessions as regularly. Right now, in this class, session number 18, we are discussing about we are in the exercise number 3. In the previous session, I have explained bit number 2 and 3. Now we will go for the bit number 4, which is a very easy bit. So the question is, use the commas to write the following in international system. So he will give a number. He is not given any commas, and he asked you to write in international system. Right. So before going to that, there are two types of systems. With the fingers, I will show you how to write. First, in Indian system, units, tens, hundreds. 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is Indian system. International system, same, units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions. That means in the Indian system, 3, 2, 2, 2, units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. So 3, 2, 2, 2. In the international system, units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions. That means 3, 3, 3. So what you have to understand, what you have to remember is that whenever you are writing in international system, you have to make commas in a 3, 3 numbers. Right? So I'll take the first one. What is the first one? 3, 2, 6, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. So units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000s, 100,000, millions and 10 millions. Okay. Now how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 box here is there. So write in an 8 box. So it is ones, tens, hundreds. This is one. Next thousands. Then next TTH, 10,000s. Next HTH. HTH is 100,000s. Next millions. And one more box I will go for, that is 10 millions. Once you, after finishing this, fill the box. 3, 2, 6, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. After that, make it into 3, 3 parts, because the commas we have to write. Here there is the third number is not there, just leave it. Now write it how to write. So it is first. How many millions are there? 32. So THIRTY, 32 millions. MILLIONS, 32 millions. How many thousands are there? 631 thousands. So SIX, 6 HUNDRED, 631,000. THIRTY, 31,000 and 542. 542. This is the answer. So international system, 3, 2, 2 and like this, we have to place the commas. Got it? So how many right? 32 millions, 631,542. So this is the first question in, what is this? In international system. Now I'll go for the same one in the same bit. Second question is given. What is the second question number 2? It is 3, 6, 3, 4, 8, 1, 7, 5. So first, same, units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. The same it was as the previous question only. So take the number and divide it into 8 boxes, because 8 numbers are there. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, HTH, millions and 10 millions. And this is 36, 3, 4, 8, 1, 7, 5. Now read it. So 3 numbers, then 3 numbers, then 2 numbers. So what is this? So it is THIRTY, 36 millions. 36 millions. How many hundreds? 348 hundreds. It is 300 HUNDRED, 348,000, 348,175, 175 is that. That means the framework is same. Write the number and divide into 3 parts. Then you write in the proper box. Then write in the words. So how many millions are there? How many thousands are there? And what are the remaining numbers? Okay. Now in this case, there are 4 bits. Still 4 bits are there that you have to write the homework. I have given 2 and write the 3 remaining. Out of 4, I will give 3 numbers. You write the homework as 3 numbers. 80105 306. D 432 17358 and E 7738 1295 7738 1295. Write this in international system. Okay, so this is the question number 4. Now I'll go for the question number 5. The same point or same type of bit. It is instead of international system, it is given as Indian system. We have to write. Okay. So in this one also, I'll explain 2 questions. The first one is 321,70832, and the question number 2, 891,36745. Okay. Now the same method. So just recall the Indian system. 3, 2, 2, 2 common. Units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. So in the same way, first I am writing the first number 321,70832. So units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So how many numbers are there? 8 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a box and write and make it into 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. After this, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10 TH, thousands, TTH, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. This is Indian system. So now write the values. 321,70832. Now 2 parts, make it into 2 parts. Now how many crores are there? 3 crores. THREE, 3 crores, 21 lakhs, TWENTY, 21 lakhs. How many thousands are there? 70,000. SEVENTY, 70,000. 832. 832. THIRTY, 32. This is the way to write. It's very simple. Writing the numbers in the given proper boxes, then you can write. Okay. Next, I'll go for the last question in this session. A very simple bit, this one, no need to explain much more. Already it was mentioned in the previous classes. So it is 891 3, 6, 7, 4, 5. So units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and the lakhs, 10 lakh, crores. Same pattern, 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So right from here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So 8, 9, 1, 3, 6, 7, 4, 5. So make it into parts. 3 parts. Then this is 2. This is 2, 1. What is it? How many crores are there? 8. 8 crores, 91 lakhs. 91 lakhs, 36,000, 3HIRTY, 36,000, 745, 745, 45. This is the way to write. Okay. So 8 crores, 91 lakhs, 36,745. Okay. Now in this case also there are still 4 bits are there. You have to write homework 3 bits. I will write on the board homework. What is the homework? The first one is question number C, 1, 9, 9, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, and D bit 6, 3, 8, 5, 1, 7, 1, 7, and E bit 3, 0, 5, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4. Okay, so in your classwork, first you write the 2 bits, draw the line, and copy the question number 5 and do it. 2 bits finished. After that, keep the heading as homework. Then again you copy that question number 4 heading, and you have to write the 3 bits as homework. After that again draw the line, then copy this and you have to do this. అంటే క్లాస్ వర్క్కి హోంవర్క్కి మీకు డిఫరెన్స్ తెలియాలి. క్లాస్ వర్క్ హోంవర్క్ కలిపి రాయాలి. క్లాస్ వర్క్ ఏం చెప్పాను, ఇండియన్ సిస్టంలో 2 నెంబర్స్ ఎలా రాయాలి, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టంలో 2 నెంబర్స్ ఎలా రాయాలి, దట్ ఈస్ క్లాస్ వర్క్. హోంవర్క్ ఏం చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ ఫ్రెష్గా పేజ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి హోంవర్క్ అని హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టి సెషన్ 18 హోంవర్క్ అని హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టి మళ్ళీ హెడ్డింగ్ రాయాలి. ఇండియన్ సిస్టంలో ఎలా రాయాలి, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టంలో 3 క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇండియన్ సిస్టంలో 3 క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇవి మళ్ళీ హోంవర్క్ రాయాలి. క్లబ్ చేయొద్దు, అది క్లబ్ చేస్తే పోతుంది. క్లాస్ వర్క్ వాట్ ఐ హావ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, how to write in international system 2 questions and how to write Indian system 2 questions. This is classwork. Now homework, you have to write this. Okay, that's all. We'll meet in the next session. Bye.